What's going on, guys? It's your boy Scoop. I got my man Tank right here.
Yes, sir.
And today we are going to do some unboxing on our awesome icons that we got here. Man, I'm ready. Ooh, boy.
Got the new in the house.
Which one are we doing right now?
This one is the Space Force Air Flight from Icon.
Okay.
Does come with the extra shield.
Not sure for it.
Ooh. You know it's good when it comes with a bag. All helmets come with a bag.
Yeah, all helmets come with a bag.
Woo! I don't think they're ready for this one. Jeez. This is the Space Force helmet.
That one is nice. That sucker's got America all over it, bro.
Yeah, Donald Trump would be happy. So look, it's got this. Don't forget the drop down. Boom. It also comes with a gold visor as well.
That was on bother. Real pretty. There she
Beautiful.
is.
Beautiful, beautiful. I got the next one right here. This one's kind of a legendary one.
Which one's that? Let me see.
This
I want to
one.
see it before they do.
All right. Sheesh. That one.
Yeah,
This one's a legendary one. This one's been around for a little while. They made another version of it. This one's the old school version. This one's more directed towards your females.
Which are my favorite?
Boom.
Oh, yeah, dude.
The Opal Chantilly.
That color.
Oof.
Looks like it's like a purplish, green,
Look at the
blue.
detail on it. Sugar skulls and paisley all in one. Sheesh. That one's sharp. That one's sharp.
Hey, this one right here, this is my favorite. I love the color on this one.
This one.
I'm a big fan of red, so y'all be ready for this one right here.
This one does also come with another visor as well. And it also comes with the top piece. I don't think they're ready for this one, man.
That one's pretty cool. Oh,
Boom! The blockchain.
Check that bad boy out.
Jeez, that's cold. Got here today.
Boy, so this one, did you say this is more of the male one?
This one, yeah, this one's the more male-friendly version of the purple one we actually just had.
Okay.
Granted, they are unisex. You can, you know, male or female. No. Earmuffs, people. Earmuffs. Go here. Hold this.
Sucker's tied on.
See what Icon's trying to do here. You know, they're trying not to sell this helmet, but that's why good old Tank Scooper here. Yeah, I'm gonna let you pull it out.
Oh, I'm ready to see this
You
one.
got this one? Sheesh! Yeah. Yeah,
pretty.
this one's clean.
There you go. Show her off, baby.
This one's clean. This one's your opal color, the more blue. Still got a little hint of purple. I like it because it's got the paisley style on it. And then if you go like this, you open it up. Boom, drop down shield.
I love that color.
The Icon's coming out with some fire, man.
Okay, so we got this next one here. Next icon is the Quicksilver. Now this is a real clean helmet. I know I keep on saying they're all real clean, but they're all real clean. Feel like a kid at Christmas.
This one's kind of more of your basic air flight, but it definitely has a nice little system to it. This is called the Quicksilver.
It looks like it's got the brush on it.
It looks like brushed aluminum, but it's not. It's like alloy, I guess. So,
I really like that one.
another one with the air flights. Drop down shield. I believe this one. Does it come with the visor or anything? Nope. So this one doesn't come with the actual smoke visor. You actually have to buy that one. But luckily, I know a guy.
We know a guy that knows a guy. So this one is the Hello Sunshine.
Okay.
I am kind of excited about seeing this one because the box picture looks really, really cool. So
It's kind of more your retro. Kind of reminds me of like the kaleidoscopes back in the day when we were kids. That you look through and a bunch of different colors. This one is also another unisex helmet. More directed towards your feminine side. But it's still a really nice helmet. This one doesn't come with any extra shields or anything through Icon. So
hey, I got that one on side.
huh? That's a good one, man. Hey, you learning. Ooh, it comes with 2 wraps.
Dang, it does.
You know that's serious when it comes with 2 wraps.
There you go, Tank. Okay, yeah, I do like that one.
Woo!
I can already see that. Yeah.
This is a nice one. It's more your retro style. This kind of reminds me of like the 70s old school couches. Something I'd see in my grandmother's house. This one again, drop down shield, man. Can't beat it. So you don't need the smoked out lid or the smoked out shield, which you can get. I know a guy. But
I think my uncle Jimmy had a freaking van that was painted like that.
look at the detail, man. That
we were
detail's
all
sweet.
scared. We were all scared to get in that van. Dun, dun, dun.
I would be too.
Reminds me of a big old I swear these style helmets remind me of like the Halos.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
This helmet in particular, this one's the Battle Scar 2. This one reminds me of Halo, man. This one's such a dope helmet. You want to get it open?
Okay.
Ooh, even comes with a decal.
Those are fine.
So this one, it comes with the normal clear shield, but it also comes with the gold. Now, mind you, a lot of these helmets back in the day, Icon wasn't actually doing that. They weren't giving you these extra shields. You had to buy them. So Icon's stepping up their game, man. Shout out to Icon Motorsports. Shout out to Parts Unlimited too. For getting us these lids, man. Parts Unlimited is doing their thing this year. Shout out to Megan, all right.
That'll be $4.
Yeah. This one, man, reminds me of Halo. Look at that.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Look at this. So I'm gonna call this one the Master Chief 2. Don't copyright. Battle Scar 2, man. Such a dope helmet. That. Can't forget Icon's famous drop-down shield as well. And look at that, it's gold. It's
the
gold.
drop-down shield is gold. That's what's up.
That's gold. Now you really look like Master Chief.
I like the rugged they do on the lettering.
Oh, it looks so good, man. Everything about this helmet is beautiful. Beautiful matte green color. This one you cannot beat.
So that was all the new Icons that we got here. We're about to get them put up on the shelf so y'all can come look at them. What we're gonna do is we're gonna walk over and show y'all some of the helmets that we have already.
Yeah, so man, we got a couple still in stock here. We've been kind of selling them like hotcakes lately. This one right here is your Ultra Bolt, man. Another gorgeous Icon helmet. Look at this sparkle, man. You can't beat it. This one also has a drop down lid as well inside. This is your Airflight helmet. This one right here. This one's your Guardian helmet. This one's kind of more of your Armed Forces collection. I do have 2 of these in stock. The detail they put into this one is crazy, man. This one also does have an Icon special. Drop down shields, man, you can't beat them. Now remember, I don't just sell the helmets, I also sell the shields too. So if your shield gets scratched up for some odd reason, man, just give me a call here at G&S Suzuki and I can get you everything you need. This one of my personal favorites, is the Manicure. Again, drop down shield. We also have a blue one and a green one coming in the next couple of videos. My last one, this one's kind of an old school one, man. This one's an Alliance GT. You don't really see too much of these left, man. This one's kind of an iconic helmet. Again. No, you don't want to come up? Oh, she's stuck in there, that's okay, she'll come, but she's got the drop down lid as well. This one's from your Alliance. Beautiful helmets, man. That's all of them that we have for here today, man. We'll catch back with you in a little while.